Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about the most favorite thing of everyone, the mobile phones. We all know there are harmful effects of mobile phone on our body, but all we know is through irradiations. Today I'll let you know the other unknown facts of how mobile actually damages our entire body system. The first thing we do when we get up is check our mobile phones. किसका मैसेज आया, किसने क्या अपलोड किया, क्या न्यूज़ है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, instead of getting freshen up. And know what? Nowadays we carry our mobile phones even to the washroom. एक मिनट भी हम मोबाइल नहीं छोड़ सकते. खाना छोड़ सकते हैं, पीना छोड़ सकते हैं, सोना तक छोड़ सकते हैं, बट मोबाइल नो वेज. And this constant involvement of ours in mobile is the major problem of our lives. Just ask one question to yourself. What is your relationship with your mobile phones? And then just imagine how much harm is it doing to you. For example, आपने कभी phantom vibrations feel किया है? जैसे कि आपकी बॉडी को पूरा यकीन है कि कोई मैसेज आया है, वाइब्रेशन फील हुआ है, पर आप जब फ़ोन चेक करते हो तो कोई मैसेज नहीं होता. इसे कहते हैं phantom vibrations. This is because we are so addicted to our mobile phones from where we get all the stressful and important information, making this device a very important device of our lives. And we can't even keep this device a meter away from us. The fact is, we as a species are becoming addicted to both. The dopamine hits of satisfaction that a smartphone gives us hundreds of times a day, while being simultaneously assaulted by the dangerous levels of cortisol they send coursing through our body. Dopamine is a happy hormone while cortisol is a stressful hormone. So when we are happy using our smartphones, dopamine is released, while when we are stressful using our smartphones, cortisol level rises. That combination is affecting everything from the way we sleep to our attention span, our memory, our self-esteem, decision-making skills, and our physical health. All the apps like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, all are designed to be habit forming as they trigger the happy chemicals in our brain, much the way poker machine do, and thus makes us want to keep checking them endlessly. However, our mobile phones are loaded with social medias, mails, news apps, and don't forget, we get negative information as well from these apps, like an irritating mail from your colleague, or some bad news on social media or news apps, or when you wake up at 9:15 with a bloodbath on Dalal Street. This leads to the release of cortisol in our body, our fight or flight hormone. Cortisol is designed to react to any physical or emotional stress. This hormone is so effective that it changes our body physically by raising our heart rate, BP, adrenaline levels, blood sugar levels, etc. And this smartphone continuously provides some or the other kind of stress multiple times per hour. It is this stress response that we don't like और हम बार बार फ़ोन चेक करते हैं ताकि ये स्ट्रेस चला जाए, पर हम जितनी बार फ़ोन चेक करेंगे उतनी बार स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है. This cycle leaves us with high levels of cortisol, and this can lead to all kinds of health issues, including heart attack, dementia, diabetes and depression. अब सोचिए हम लास्ट 12-15 साल से फ़ोन यूज़ कर रहे हैं, फिर भी हमारा ये हाल है, तो हमारे बच्चे और आने वाली पूरी जनरेशन का क्या हाल होगा. 10 साल की उम्र के ऊपर का हर बच्चा अपनी लाइफ मोबाइल के बिना सोच भी नहीं सकता, और जब यही बच्चा 10th पास करते हैं तब उनको ये डेंजरस बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिवाइस गिफ्ट में दिया जाता है उनके खुद के पेरेंट्स से. इट इज़ लाइक गिविंग देम हेरोइन और कोकिंग और एनी काइंड ऑफ ड्रग एंड पुशिंग देयर लाइफ्स टुवर्ड्स हेल. Although we know the harmful effects of mobile phone, it's nearly impossible for all of us to avoid using them. So now what is the solution? Well, there are two things we can do. One, reduce the unnecessary usage of phone. Second, the most important, is to increase our magnesium level. Magnesium is a micronutrient which helps our body to fight against stress. We are all deficient of magnesium but are unaware of it. And this is the reason our stress hormone are triggered easily and our health is affected. So guys, if you like our video, kindly subscribe the channel, share the video and hit the bell icon button. If you want to know more about magnesium, please write to us in the comment box.